let's see. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna go back to. I'm gonna do a Stevie Ray Vaughan because I know this is really popular in the blues circuit still. Pride and Joy. Side to the blind. My baby loved me till the sun do shine. She's my sweet little thing. She's my pride and joy. She's my sweet little baby. I'm her little lover boy. Well, I love my baby long and lean. Mess with her, you see a man get mean. She's my sweet little thing. She's my pride and joy. She's my sweet little baby. I'm her little lover boy. So that's many different ways to play that song. It's been done 1,000 different times, 1,000 different styles. But I'm just kind of doing it sort of Texas style. So it's kind of that, I call that the achoo stroke if you're doing it with a pick. Achoo, 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 achoo. He also does it. So there's a little tip for you. He makes a lot of noise when he does it. Pride and Joy. So we've all heard Stevie do that a million different ways, different times. It's in E, you know, I do kind of a walking thing. And then I kind of go to a 7th on the 4. Back to the E, and then to the 5. Doesn't stop on the E. I love my baby, heart and soul. Love like ours won't never go. She's my sweet little thing. She's my pride and joy. She's my sweet little baby. I'm her little lover boy. So there's obviously many, many, many different ways to do that. I hope you got something out of that one. I do it different every time, depending on who I'm playing with. So it's one of the many, many attitudes you can take on that song. You can make it tighter too. That's the nice thing about the blues. You can get really free with it. There's no one way to do it. Thank you so much for watching this lesson. Make sure you check out all the links in the description below where you can get free gifts and access to more lessons.